2023। तो चूंकि कोई भी मेरे पे ध्यान नहीं दे रहा, तो मैं आप लोगों से एक गुजारिश करूंगी, बस जोरदार ताली हो जाए कमाल एवरीबॉडी फॉर अ वंडरफुल आर्टिस्ट। So one by one, I will introduce Impulse, and then she debuted with Suniya Shetty on OTT platforms. She's known for her dancing skills, she's known for her acting skills, and today she's redefining what a woman can be at any age. Everybody, the beautiful, stunning, the dancer, the actress.
So I had started my journey with WOW Spiritual and Wellness Awards in the year 2000. After which I did various segments of awards like Legendary Awards, Starlight Awards, Television Awards, and so on and so forth. And after a long gap, this year again I have started my Spiritual and Wellness Awards, because I feel that after COVID, health and well-being should be the highest priority of everybody. And there are lots and lots of alternate therapies which help the mental and physical well-being of a person. Okay, so it is very important that we create more awareness about health and well-being with alternate therapies which a person can do in their daily routine without visiting doctors or without taking those heavy doses of medicine, which also has a lot of side effects in your body. So that is the reason why this event is taking place. Another important thing about this event is that it is trying to bridge a gap between corporate houses and wellness experts. So a lot of these corporate houses have now an in-house coach or an in-house wellness consultant, like we have in-house doctors, okay? But the corporate houses are unaware of which therapy or which consultant they should choose, which will help the ROI of the company and will also help promote the employee well-being. So they are not aware of different therapies. So this event will also have a lot of corporate houses with us who will be looking at different presentations from our wellness experts, and then they have an option to pick and choose from them, or myself being a wellness consultant with corporates can guide them on what is best to suit their organization. That is one part of it. Second part of it, this event especially, is that with God's grace and divine blessings, I should say, it's the mission that I have of spreading awareness on health and well-being is somehow supported by Khalij Times, which is the biggest newspaper and media house in Dubai and Middle East, which also helps me build my relations with Middle East and India in terms of health and well-being. So I am really in gratitude to Khalij Times for supporting this event and being there for us for what we are looking at a longer vision. So that is the second segment of this event. And of course, the very important part also is our celebrity choreographer Sandeep Suparkar performing on our Latin dance drama with a theme on Why Roses Are Red. So this is the entire event all about, and I hope that lot of supporters do come forward, because when supporters come forward we can do the maximum. But if there are less supporters, our vision doesn't grow. So I would request whoever is interested in their own health and well-being and in the others' health and well-being, do come forward and support it, because the more you support us, the more we can grow. And we can help others grow as well.
And all of you have enough time to support, because the event is happening on 27th.
Yes. So, yeah. Thank you so much. And that calls a rose for Shanti ji.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions, anyone?
Any questions?
Performing on Chaudhary Ka Chand today, I believe. Chand, would you like to say anything first?
Chaudhary Ka Chand. Oh.
Yeah, first of all, thanks to giving me an opportunity to meet everybody of y'all. And it's actually Sandeep who has given me this offer, asked me, because I'm learning ballroom dance from him from past 1 year. And when he asked me, would you like to dance with me for this, and would you like to show? And I said, yes, of course, absolutely. And it was for Shobha's magazine. It was
Yeah.
for a magazine release. So I said yes, absolutely looking forward for it. And let's see, this is my first performance.
It's a very difficult thing to perform Shobhika Chand on Rumba.
वेल जब शोभा जी ने मुझे कहा कि उनकी मैगजीन लॉन्च हो रही है वाओ एक्स्ट्रावेगेंजा एंड शी वांटेड आई वाज ऑनर्ड शी टोल्ड मी शी वांट्स टू पुट मी ऑन द थैंक यू सो मच फॉर पुटिंग मी ऑन द कवर ऑफ वाओ
You're
एक्स्ट्रावेगेंजा
most welcome, Sandeep.
इट इज एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल और आज उसका कवर लॉन्च है एंड आई सेड चलो उस पे हम लोग डांस करेंगे दैट इज हाउ इट केम टुगेदर दैट्स हाउ वी केम टुगेदर सो आई एम थैंकफुल टू शोभा जी एंड ऑफ कोर्स टू शांति मैम फॉर agreeing to be dancing with me. Just she's absolutely wonderful. She's a brilliant dancer. I hope you would like this. And yes, like you asked me about Rumba on Chaudhary Ka Chand, मुश्किल है क्योंकि एक इंटरनेशनल डांस फॉर्म को एक टिपिकल रोमांटिक हिंदी गाने पे करना और एक आइकॉनिक गाने पे करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है पर हमने हमारी कोशिश की है आई होप हमारी कोशिश आप लोगों को पसंद आएगी एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी
Yeah, from
Narad PR.
Narad PR. She's a brand strategist and a very senior personality in her field. So let's welcome Anusha Srinivas Iyer.
जो अमिताभ बच्चन जी की आई है और अनुपम खेर की शिव शास्त्री बलवा तो उसका पूरा PR इनकी कंपनी ने और मिस अनुषा आयर जो कि मेरी फेवरेट ऑल्सो है सो शी
And she does not for animals also.
Yeah, she works very dearly for the animals.
It's like ये सारी पागल women हैं, पागल Anusha is like amazing women here. शोभा जी, शांति प्रिया जी.
तो मीट मिस्टर चैंग वन आई थिंक मोर देन 21 इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में सेलेक्ट होके आए हैं हम कहीं नॉमिनेट हुए हैं कहीं जीते हैं सो इट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी बिग थिंग फॉर मी बिकॉज अभी एक तमिल के सुपरस्टार हैं मैं नाम नहीं लूँगी उनके साथ भी हमारा नाम आया है रेणुका शाहरी जी जो हमारी फेवरेट उनके साथ हमारा नाम है तो इससे बेस्ट मेरे लिए क्या हो सकता है कि इतने बड़े उसमें फिल्म फेस्टिवल में सेलेक्ट होके आना मेरी फिल्म मीट मिस्टर चैंग इज़ बेस्ड ऑन रेसिज्म से नो टू रेसिज्म हमने पूरे एक छोटी सी फिल्म को इतना बड़ा बना दिया और हमारा जो बेस है दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट रेसिज्म इज़ मोर डेंजरस देन कोविड हमेशा हमें इश्यूज़ लेके आए एंड दिस ऑल अ पार्ट ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ ऑफ कोर्स हमारे दिमाग में कहीं ना कहीं ये रेसिज्म है सेकेंड इज़ कर्मा और फेडोरा रिंकल्स जो है जो कि अश्विन कौशल भारती जी ने डायरेक्ट किया है इरम्स एंटरटेनमेंट हमने प्रोड्यूस किया है तो इसमें भी अली असगर एंड सुष्मिता मुखर्जी जैसे एंड मनीष वाधवा जी जो कि अभी पठान फिल्म में जो मेन विलन बन के आए इन्होंने भी एक्ट किया है तो इस टाइप की हम फिल्म लेके आए जो कि कर्मा के ऊपर है दिस इज ऑल अबाउट अगेन मेंटल हेल्थ कि आपका आपके दिमाग में जो होता है आप जो कर्म करते हैं आपको वही चीज़ यहीं पे भुगत के आना होता है और मेरे लिए इससे बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है कि हमने बहुत जगह प्रमोशन किया लेकिन मेरे लिए वाओ मेंटल हेल्थ अवार्ड शोभा जी का ये अवार्ड शो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट इसलिए है क्योंकि जो नहीं करता वो शोभा जी कर रही हैं और इससे बेस्ट मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं हो सकता अगेन विल पार्ट ऑफ अगेन जब भी वो करेंगी तो इरम्स एंटरटेनमेंट का हमेशा सपोर्ट रहेगा
Thank you so much.